Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 17C751A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe. You have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels, and they're wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.